Hashtag mistakes are hurting your growth on TikTok. Today we're going to talk about hashtags on TikTok and why you absolutely need to use them. You know, TikTok is the fastest growing search engine on the planet. Now, Google's the largest, YouTube is number 2, but the fastest growing right now is TikTok. And the way your videos are going to show up are by the hashtags that you use, like these here. Before I forget, I put together a 10-step checklist for you. There's a link down in the description below that'll take you all the way through all the other tips you're going to need to know on TikTok to be successful. Now, what's important when you're kind of figuring out what hashtags to use is by doing a little bit of research. And for instance, let's say my channel is all about iPhone tricks. If I just put in iPhone, it has billions of views. So that means it's a more competitive hashtag. However, if I put in iPhone tips, it's a little less competitive. Now, if I go for iPhone tips and tricks, it's even less competitive. So I would encourage you, while you're doing your hashtag research, and all you do is simply go onto your phone and click up in the top right, click on that search bar right there, and you can start doing some hashtag research. And I absolutely think you need to start using those.